Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that Facebook Marketplace message is not showing up in Messenger. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Okay, and you need to update Messenger application. Okay, then you need to go back and go into the settings and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for Messenger, and then you need to go into the storage and cache. And the first step, you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage and allow all permissions. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open up the Facebook and go into the marketplace, and let me send or check that. Okay, so I send a message, so let me show you. It is now showing in Messenger, so let me refresh it. So here you can see that. So this is a simple process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.